up, YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt, back at it again with one of these other vlogs. I'm using my Gorilla Pod. I just got a Gorilla Pod, so that's what I'm using. So I'm still trying to see how I can best frame my shot. Let me know if it's working. I don't know. If it's not working, I'm fix it. I can fix it.
I can fix it.
We can fix it. Cartoon's name. Bob the Builder? No, wait. Wreck-It Ralph? Yeah, something like that. Fix it. I don't know how exciting of a day today should be, but it's the little things that matter. So I'm going to make it an exciting. Do I look better from this? Which side do you think is my good side? Who cares? But yeah. So guys, recently I hit 100 subscribers. Is it over here? It should be on the screen here. 100 subscribers. And that was a milestone. Usually, the first 100 subscribers are the hardest to get. I've hit my 100 subscribers mark. Thank you guys for subscribing. It means a lot. So we're not going to stop there. Next, it's our 500 subs or 1,000 subs. 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 mil. That's where we're heading. And I only can reach there with you guys' help and support. So thank you guys again so much. Thank you guys.
I can whip a brick a whole chicken dinner. Hit them folk. I'm gonna hit them folk. Hit them folk. Diamond nigga spend the whole sip of flip.
I'm wondering if I'm coming across as excited enough for my 100 subscribers. Yes, I'm excited. Aren't you guys excited? Do you guys remember when I had no subs? I was my first sub. And now I have 100 subscribers, people watching. That's fucking awesome. Take a look at the scenery. This is a beautiful day for my 100 subs video. Is this a 100 subs video? I don't think so. But we're going to make it whatever video we think. The sun's really hot. I need to get going. Let's do that. What's up, guys? So we're back. I'm still excited. I'm still excited about my 100 subscriber goal thing. Yeah, I don't know what to do for my 100 subscriber special, which is pretty lame, but nonetheless, I just made a short video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, some dollar bills.
Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bill shit, and I don't feel that shit, not even a little bill. Fuck all that Drake, you gotta chill shit. I be on my little mouse drill shit. Fuck all that rap to pay your bill shit. Yeah, I'm on some rappers pay my bill shit. 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Real quick, whole squad on that real shit. 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Real quick, real fucking quick, nigga. 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. I go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. I go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Real quick, real fucking quick, nigga.
Place just get chilly. From what I just give it to Blackberry. Same time the bitch get hype. I like ice, so she dash real little flashlight.